Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Firefox browser settings to default. Resetting Firefox can fix performance issues, remove unwanted changes, and restore original settings. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Firefox browser on your computer, which I have right here. Step 2. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, then click Help. Step 3. Select More Troubleshooting Information. Step 4, at the top right, click Refresh Firefox. Step 5, click Refresh Firefox again to confirm. This will keep your bookmarks, save passwords, and browsing history, but it will remove extensions, themes, and custom settings. And that's how you reset Firefox browser settings to default. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.